Bit trippy, isn't it? This is connecting a BBC microbit controller to pure data, which is designed for music synthesis. I'm basically just following along this tutorial, which is really good and it's much better than I could do it because I know almost nothing about this software. But it's a little bit out of date, so there's a few things you need to know about. First of all, the microbit code is very simple. It's literally just printing out a space-separated list of data. The one thing you do need to be aware of is that the default baud rate for the BBC microbit is 115200, so we just have to set that in pure data, and we can get the device, which in my case is COM6, just from printing out as he shows in the tutorial. There's a few nodes in here which are missing. The tutorial suggests downloading a pure data version with all the bells and whistles, but that's out of date now. So for the things like comport and this ZL node, you need to install them from help, find externals, and then you need to search for them. And the ZL one will bring you up Cyclone, which is basically a library of nodes which are compatible with this other program, Max MSP, which is used by a lot of people, has slightly better GUI, but you have to pay for it. The other problem I had was it wasn't actually exporting sound. So to fix that, I went to Preferences, and under Audio, I had to set it to the old MMIO system rather than the standard. And you can also, under Startup, add these comport and Cyclone libraries to start on Startup. But then it all seemed to work for me. So this is a very simple FM synthesizer, as per his example, and I might have to play around and see what else I can do.